to show you something now that I think you'll like. Now we're going to solve this algebraically, but we're really not, because we're going to use some technology to solve that. So let's look at this inequality right here. Now, before I told you to set it equal to 0, but you really don't have to. So if I typed that into Desmos and showed a graph, okay, so I have that typed in and here's my graph. What area is shaded? Well, what are the numbers? So if I click on my Desmos graph, I can see that you're using your x values. There's a 3 and a 10. So notice the areas between 3 and 10 are shaded. So this is how you write it. Now you can solve it algebraically if you want, but 3 is greater than or equal to x is greater than or equal to 10. So that's all there is to that. Let's see if we can do one more using Desmos. Let's get a new problem. Okay, so what about this one? We've got a less than symbol now. So let's graph this one. So let's go to, give me a moment while I type it in. And I need the less than or equal to symbol, so I have to use my calculator, or my what you call it, Desmos keyboard. I can get it on there, so that's less than or equal to 4. Boy, I'm having a hard time typing this in. It's not really that hard. Okay, so let's see what the solution here, if I'm graphing that. So make sure I typed it in right, 2x squared plus 32 plus 122 less than or equal to negative 4. So looking at my graph now, ooh, I went home on my graph and I can see that. So what is the shaded region? Again, I have a negative 9 and a negative 7. So what is shaded? The area between negative 9 and 7. So you write that negative 9 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 7. And the reason why we use less than or equal to is because that's what's given in our original equation. So I will allow you to use Desmos on that. So that was just a way to do algebraically, but I wanted you to do the first set to get you used to it by hand.